Have you ever had a bird shit on your car so bad you wondered what it ate? I was walking back to my car today, and I swear to God, a flock of birds all just came back from Taco Bell. And I think they were crows, which are highly intelligent. I think they know a clean car when they see one, and they're like, let's fuck with that guy. I would not have been able to sleep knowing my car was baking in the sun the next day with all that bird shit on it. Fortunately, there's a 24-hour drive-through car wash by me, and I ran my car through the wash at 8 p.m. I even paid $2 extra for the power wash, and it still didn't get off all the shit. Most satisfying car wash ever.